Did you know that apple cider vinegar is actually conditioning for the hair? Nobody ever told you that? Let me give you the tea. Ooh, yes, I'ma be living that good, yeah. What's up, Locked Up gang? It's your girl, Lady Locked Up, coming to you, live. Man, I can't get enough of that. Y'all read the title, so you know why you're here. We're gonna get into a Loc detox, okay? And I know you probably heard about Loc detoxes. I mean, they're everywhere. Did you know that Loc detoxes actually are conditioning for your hair? Especially you, the one with the colored locks. You. Did you know that those treatments can actually be super hydrating, nourishing, and strengthening for your hair? If you want to know more about that, if you are interested in getting that good, look at these things. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. They light, they fly, and I feel free. Stay tuned. I got more for you.
Alright y'all, so let's get into why you should really do Loc detoxes. So this is a lock that I cut off from the back row of my hair, and as you can see, it built up a lot of lint, accumulated a lot of gook and dust. But what you really don't know is when I open this thing, y'all, look at what you see on the inside. Oh my god, you see that? So a lot of us are holding products and gook and debris inside of our locks, and on the outside, as you can see on my lock, it doesn't even appear to be that bad, but it really is. So let's get into what this really is. It's buildup. The dictionary definition of buildup says it's a gradual accumulation or increase, typically of something negative and typically leading to a problem or crisis. And you see them blocks? That was a problem. Adding thick butters and oils, black gels, brown gels, all those creams, Loc products, quote unquote, adding those to your hair definitely could add to product buildup. And although product buildup seems harmless at first, it can cause serious consequences. As the buildup accumulates, it can create a barrier that prevents proper airflow to the scalp and lock, which essentially can lead to breakage and hair fall. So there's several different types of buildups that you can get in your lock. We have lint, debris, product, biological, and environmental. But with this Loc detox, we're going to be handling 4 of those, because lint, I'll show y'all in a different video, is handled totally different. Is y'all ready for them ingredients? Okay, let's get into it. So we're gonna use baking soda. That bag is huge, okay? Everything's big over here, honey. Honey, big. We got apple cider vinegar. We also have distilled water. And this thing right here is a new upgrade to my little detoxing kit. I got a shampoo kit. What you're gonna do is you're gonna blow it up and you're gonna put your head in it, and no more sinks for you, baby. But I kinda wish I had that sink, cause look at me struggling trying to blow this up, okay? I mean, she's struggling. She looking like it ain't even going nowhere. And still ain't got nowhere. Somebody get the girl an air pump. Anybody. Alright, so after I got this blown up, let's get into it. So make sure you use some sheets and some towels and stuff like that you don't care about, because if you mess up your nice Vera Wang towels, don't blame me. And look, you see this button right here? You better make sure it's closed, or your whole bedroom gonna be looking like the Titanic scene, okay? So I actually had to use 2 jugs of water for this, so I could fill it up. And then we're gonna pour that apple cider vinegar in, okay? And get ready. And now I'm gonna pour in the apple cider vinegar. And yes, honey, I know I poured a lot. So before you say something, let me tell you why.
Apple cider vinegar is super great for those who have locks, but it actually has conditioning agents that are amazing for your locks and will help to strengthen your locks. Who would have known? Acid vinegar, they do that? They make your hair strong? What?
So the scientist in me went to the internet and said, what is apple cider vinegar? I found Bragg's website, and look at what I found, y'all. They convert apple juice into vinegar using fermentation, the same process of making wine and beer. Yes, y'all, wine and beer. Those apples take a cozy little ride down the fermentation vessel, and they turn those little juicy apples into vinegar. They have a nice little party down at the factory, and you get some vinegar on your table. How about that, honey? But y'all get this, then them sexy apples get to take another vacation. Dang, they got time and a half. They can take another vacation down the fermentation vessel, okay? And they gonna get a sprinkle of yeast and bacteria. And that is important because it's gonna create alpha hydroxy acid. And that is gonna balance your pH, which is gonna stop your hair from falling out. So, hello, we don't want them problems. Now watch this. Let me be quiet. Okay, now it's time to get into the treatment. So I already have a treatment on my scalp, so I won't be putting the Loc Detox on that. So if you see them crusties, that's because I was doing another treatment, but y'all will see that treatment later. But right now, look at how zen I look. I mean, this thing was so peaceful, y'all. I fell asleep in the little thing. I mean, yeah, look at her over there sleeping Manjaro. Come on. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and squeeze those locks so that I can work that product in there. I'm going to squeeze it. And then you can start to see the water like turning a little darker gray. And, you know, the bubbles is really was working that product up and out of the locks. I love watching this, y'all. Just enjoy. I'll be quiet. So after it's very easy to discard, you pull that now button out. I told y'all to make sure it was closed, pull it out, and it drains right into the sink. Get it. Yeah, so we're done now, y'all. We're gonna go wash our hair, actually shampoo it, and here we are at the end of it. And yeah, my face looking wet, I'm smiling, but I'm clean. And bye, see you next time. Subscribe. Quickest way to make me angry is to step in on my days and that